And this week's Luther Family Ford weather kid, Joshua Halloway from Oak Grove. We look forward to seeing him tomorrow. Be sure to tune in, same time, same place. And some colder weather as we head through the middle of our work week. A few clouds showing up on the sky cam after sunset tonight. And those clouds are going to help our temperatures a little bit overnight because with calming winds or quieting winds and clear skies, and the snow that's on the ground, we could get pretty cold. And in fact, temperatures falling down to 5 degrees now off our high of 7. It feels like 7 below with that 7-mile-per-hour wind, still from a northerly direction here in the valley. Grand Forks, you have a 1. That's a common number for Langdon and Cavalier as well. Notice in southeast North Dakota, temperatures are, I wouldn't say surging, but maybe lurching up just a little bit. We're at 10 degrees in Gwinner. 3 right now in Detroit Lakes and 2 in Baudette is at this hour. Factor in the winds, and it feels like between 5 and 10 below for many, although calming winds and shifting wind directions out to the west, limiting that wind chill just a little bit. No problem with that. Here is a look at your satellite radar composite. We're seeing some snow showers just exiting northeast Montana and Saskatoon, drifting across southern Canada as we head into the evening. And again, clouds radiate heat, so when these move in, that'll slow down our rate of cooling. So many areas, particularly out to the east as we go between now and 10 o'clock, we'll see temperatures falling down to 0 or just below 0. And so wind chills will be a little bit challenging out there, 5 to 15 below. And that's the 10 o'clock hour. Now, as we go through the overnight hours, some of those snow showers could skirt along the international border, but it doesn't look like a big deal out there, nothing significant. Temperatures rising into the single digits above 0. That's how we start out our Thursday. Not necessarily warm, and factor in the winds, which will be increasing a little bit out of the south. And we'll still have wind chilly conditions with wind chills around 10 to 15 below in some spots. Now, as we go toward midday, we're going to see more clouds and sunshine. South winds continue. Hit and miss flakes of snow along the international border and points north. Temperatures rising into the teens, and well, we could see a 20-degree reading here or there, but most of us will spend our afternoon in the teens. The far north, again, with the best chance of some flakes, and the best timing for that looks to be in the afternoon and early evening hours. In Fargo, we start out at 2, warming up through the teens all the way to almost 20. And then tomorrow evening, we cool off, but with the clouds, it won't be so quickly. And your winds coming from the south or southeast will be at around 10 to 20 miles per hour at times. So even though temperatures warm up, it's going to be another wind chilly afternoon. 11 in Langdon on your way home from school. Valley City 14, 15 in Fergus Falls, and Bemidji 14 for your afternoon reading. Take a look at this. Pretty a good idea, as a matter of fact. You get that sun, you throw up the old snow flakes and ice crystals, and you get actually what we call a halo on that. Thanks, Georgia, for sending up your photo at valleynewslive.com. Friday, we warm up a little bit more, nothing too dramatic here, 21 degrees. There'll be a chance of more flakes, but mainly up in the far north and in northwest Minnesota. The weekend, well, the trend continues towards gradually warmer conditions until Sunday. We get back to around 30 degrees in Fargo, and that lasts all of one more day on Monday. And then another cold air mass makes its way into town, and it looks like some will be heading to sub-zero morning lows midweek and beyond.
So we have a few days for that, right?
Right. We can enjoy Sunday, Monday.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Thank you very much.